Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editor on your Android phone. And in this video, I will show you how to rotate your PDF without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to use this particular PDF as an example right here and show you how you can easily rotate your PDF, copy or duplicate as the case may be. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is open up your PDF. After you open up your PDF, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and switch to content editor. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on rotate. Continue to rotate until you're satisfied with the angle you want. Now for you to make a copy, go ahead and make sure you click on here. Just like so. You can copy as many as possible. You can see it right. If you want to delete from the page, come down below right here, swipe this way and hit on delete. Once you are done, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on done. And click on back. Now you have your document being properly rotated. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to save the document. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save. Then go ahead and click on OK. Saved successfully. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and exit from here. And we want to make sure we go to our file manager, search for file manager, go ahead and click on file manager, then go to browse, go to documents, go to PDF, then here you go. Refresh and you have access to the PDF right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up the PDF right here. And here you go. You have it being rotated and duplicated into two places. It's that simple. Lastly, let me quickly show you on how you can download and install this particular powerful PDF editor app free on your Android phone. Exit from here. Go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store. Go ahead and click on search. Click on search app and game. Then type in this SysTech PDF editor right here. Download and install the particular PDF editor right here. Once you download and install it, you can begin to use it to work and edit your PDF all for free. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.